Let's make a Stanley Cup paper squishy.
The only reason that I came to tonight is cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret outside because I want you to like it. The